Discuss 12th question in circles. A triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 centimeters. See this figure? Here given radius of the circle is 4 centimeters. OD is the radius of the circle. So it is 4 centimeters. Okay. Such that the segments BD and DC into which BC is divided by the point of contact D of length 8 centimeters and 6 centimeters respectively. Find the sides AB and AC. Here given radius of the circle 4 centimeters. Okay, let point of contact, this point is E and here point is F. Okay, OE and OF and OD or radii of the circle. So OE equal to 4 centimeters and OF equal to 4 centimeters. Okay, radius of the circle is 4 centimeters. Here A, B, C are external points of the circle. Okay. So according to theorem 10.2, lengths of tangents drawn from an external point of the circle are equal. It means CD equal to CE, BD equal to BF, AE equal to AF. Okay. So CE equal to 6 centimeters, BD equal to BF, it is 8 centimeters, AE equal to AF. Let this length is some x centimeters. AE equal to x centimeters, AF also x centimeters, both are equal. Here we have to find AB and AC. How to find AB and AC? For this, let's join AO, OC and OB. Here we get three triangles AOC and OBC and OAB. Okay. Here using Heron's formula to find AB and AC values. Okay. Area of triangle ABC, big triangle ABC equal to area of triangles AOC plus area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle OBC. Okay. Area of triangle, big triangle ABC equal to area of triangle, smaller triangles AOC and area of triangle AOB and area of triangle BOC. Here AB equal to 8 plus x centimeters. Okay. BC equal to 6 plus 8, 14 centimeters. AC equal to 6 plus x centimeters. Okay. We know all sides of triangles. Okay. Using Heron's formula, area of triangle ABC. We know area of triangle formula root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Here A, B, C are sides of the triangle. Okay. A equal to AB, B equal to BC, and C equal to side AC. Okay, and S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. A equal to 8 plus X, B equal to 14 centimeters, C equal to 6 plus X centimeters by 2. 14, 8 plus 6, 14 plus 14, 28 plus x plus x, 2x by 2. Here 2 is common. 2 into 14 plus x by 2, 2 get cancelled, which is equal to 14 plus x. Okay, here S equal to, we get 14 plus x. Okay, therefore area of triangle ABC equal to root over S value 14 plus x into 14 plus x minus A. A value is 8 plus x. Next, x minus b, 14x plus x minus b is 14. S minus c, 14x, c value is 6 plus x. Fourteen plus x into 14 plus x minus 8 minus x. 14 plus x minus 14. 14 plus x minus 6 minus x. Okay, here plus x minus x get cancelled, plus 14 minus 14 cancel, minus x plus x get cancelled, remaining root over 14 plus x into 14 minus 8, value is 6, into x, 14 minus 6, this value equal to 8. Therefore 6 8s are 48. 48 into x into 14 plus x. Okay, this is the area of triangle ABC. What is the area of triangle AOB? We know area of triangle is of into base into height. Okay, here we are talking about triangle AOB area. Okay, so triangle AOB area equal to of into base is AB, height is OF. AB equal to 8 plus x centimeters, OF equal to 4 centimeters. 2 times. So 16 plus 2x centimeters. Next, area of triangle AOC equal to of into base into height. Base is AC, height is OE. AC equal to 6 plus x, OE equal to 4 centimeters, which is equal to 12 into 12 plus 2x centimeters. Next, area of triangle OCB equal to of into base is BC, height is OD. BC equal to 8 plus 6, it is 14 centimeters. OD equal to 4 centimeters, 28 centimeters. Therefore, area of triangle ABC, area of big triangle equal to area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle AOC plus area of triangle OCB. Okay, substitute the values in this equation. Finally, we get this equation. Squaring on both sides. 48x plus 14 plus x, root over 48x plus 14 plus x equal to 16 plus 12, 28 plus 28 is 56, 2x plus 2x, it is equal to 4x. Here 4 is common, 4 14s are 56 x, 48x into 14 plus x. Squaring on both sides. 48x into 14 plus x equal to 4 square is 16. 14 plus x whole square. Okay. 48x plus 14 plus x. This value comes to this side, minus 16 into 14 plus x whole square equal to 0. Okay. Here 16 into 14 plus x is common. Okay. How many times? 3 times. 3x. Okay. 3x times to get 48x into 14 plus x minus 14 plus x, which is equal to 0. Minus into 14 minus 14 minus into x minus x is equal to 0. 6 into 14 plus x equal to 3x minus x. 2x minus 14 equal to 0. Therefore 14 plus x into 2x minus 14 equal to 0. Finally we get the x values. X equal to minus 14, x equal to 7. Okay. Length never be negative, so take x equal to 7. Therefore AB equal to 8 plus x. X value 7. 8 plus 7 15. AC equal to 6 plus x. 6 plus 7 equal to 13.